Hey guys, so today I will help you with top interview questions of your Ausbildung. Yes guys, so many guys are struggling with the Ausbildung interview question. So what kind of questions can they ask? What could be the correct answer? And so on. So I will help you with the top questions and their answers. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So let's start. So number one is können Sie sich vorstellen? Can you introduce yourself? So in this introduction, you have to mention your name, your age, your education, your hobbies, any past experience and your other skills. So you have to mention about these. Don't add any unnecessary details because they want to know about you. So it is very important you should mention only about you, your skills, your experience, your education, which is relevant to that Ausbildung. Next question. Welche Ausbildung haben Sie ausgewählt? So which Ausbildung have you chosen? Und warum and why? So you have to mention here that which Ausbildung. For example, if it is Krankenpfleger, you have to mention that why Krankenpfleger. If there is any other Ausbildung, for example, Bäckerei, Mechaniker and so on. So you have to mention that and mention the reason that why. This is very important because they want to know the reason that why have we chosen this Ausbildung. Next question. Was wissen Sie über diese Ausbildung? So what do you know about this Ausbildung? This is very important. You should Google it. So Google that what is the duration, what is the cost, and it will be a practical or theoretical. So you should know these kind of information. This is very important. So what do you know about this Ausbildung? Google this and make a proper answer. Next question. Warum haben Sie sich für Deutschland entschieden? So why have you decided for Germany? Why not other country? Yes guys, they want to know about that why Germany. So in this question you have to say that why Germany. Just say some good things about Germany. Basically they want to listen about the Germany, right? So if you want to get higher, so Google about Germany, Germany culture, Germany festival, all the good things about Germany. You should know about this and tell them during your interview. Next question. Wo sehen Sie sich in 5 Jahren? So where will you see yourself in 5 years? You can say like in 5 years I want to see in this position, or good salary, good company, good education, or could be anything. Whatever is your requirement, where do you want to see yourself, just mention that. Next question is, welche Fähigkeiten sind Ihrer Meinung nach wichtig für diesen Beruf? So which skills are important for this profession? So before your interview, just Google that what are the required skills of this profession, which relevant skills do you need, and just tell them about these relevant skills. Next question is, haben Sie schon Erfahrung in diesem Beruf? So do you already have experience in this Beruf? If yes, then mention that what kind of experience do you have, right? Last question is, warum sollten wir Sie wählen? So why should we hire you? Mention the exact reason that why you. This is very important. So guys, that's all. Prepare those questions and crack your interview. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share. Bis dann and cheers. See you and bye.